I finally did it. I've been looking for a new daily driver for my video editing and gaming, and I decided to put my own money on the new 2026 ROG Strix G16. Now, if you look at the specs, you might think I'm crazy. It has the flagship Ryzen 9 8940HX, which is a 16-core monster, but it's only paired with an RTX 5050. Most people would say that's a massive bottleneck, but for someone spending 70% of their time on video timeline and 30% on AAA games, I think that's actually the smartest play in India right now. Today, I'm going to show you why I chose this specific combo, unbox it, and see if it actually handles my 4K edits and my gaming library. When you're spending over 1.5 lakhs of your own money, the unboxing feels different. The Strix G16 box has that premium lift mechanism that presents the laptop to you. Inside, you get the beefy 280-watt adapter, which is essential for that Ryzen 9, and the standard ROG paperwork. The first thing I noticed when I peeled the plastic off this Eclipse grey lid was the build quality. It's mostly high-grade plastic, but it feels dense and professional. It doesn't scream cheap even though it's the entry-level GPU model. One reason I bought this for editing is the input and output. Since this is the AMD model, we get dual USB 4 ports. I can plug in my high-speed external SSDs for raw footage and still have room for a 4K monitor. And let's be real, the RGB light bar is a vibe. It adds that aesthetic touch to my desk setup that just makes me want to sit down and work. This is the main reason I bought it. The Ryzen 9 8940HX, 16 cores, 32 threads. For my video editing, the CPU is king. Rendering a 10-minute 4K video used to take me forever. On this, it's finished before I can finish my coffee. Because the RTX 5050 doesn't get that hot, the cooling system, which uses liquid metal, keeps the CPU at its max boost clock for longer. For me, that means no lagging while I'm color grading or adding heavy effects. Now the gaming part. People told me the 5050 was a mistake, but for 2026, the 5050 got a huge upgrade, 8 GB of GDDR7 VRAM with DLSS 4 multi-frame generation. I'm playing AAA titles at high settings with zero issues. Is it a 5090? No. But for someone who just wants to relax with some Forza or Cyberpunk after work, it's more than enough. At the end of the day, I didn't want to pay an extra 50 or 60,000 for a GPU I won't fully utilize. By choosing Ryzen 9 and RTX 5050, I got the world-class CPU power for my career and a very capable gaming machine for my free time. If you're an editor just like me, or a student who wants to run heavy software but also wants to game, this is the hidden gem of the 2026 lineup. Let me know in the comments, would you prefer CPU power over GPU power? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next edit.